Hi, my name is Sarah with Facial Beauty Dental, and today I want to talk to you about having a custom crown made specifically for you. Crowns at our office are as easy as 1, 2, 3. Digital scans are used to take the impressions. There's no more yucky, goopy mess. The scans are used to design, mill, and finish the crowns all in one visit at our office. You leave with your final product, and the manufacturing of the crown is done here from start to finish. The appointment time is normally 1.5 hours long, but half of the time is during the manufacturing, when you can read, watch TV, take a walk, do anything you'd like during that time. The final step of the crown, we are bonding it in place and taking a final x-ray. What I generally hear most from our patients after the procedure is, wow, that was faster than I expected and went really well. For more information and how we can provide for you a custom crown, please call us at Facial Beauty Dental today, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.